Hi there friends, and welcome back to your channel AKBHD. Hope everyone is fit and doing great. Well, this video update here is to help address the solution or remedy for the current COVID-19 pandemic situation in India. While the researchers and scientists are doing their best with the vaccination and antidote for the coronavirus, we can best stay alert and safeguard ourselves from the menace by simply social distancing ourselves. Also, taking care of all the other precautionary measures, like in the linked video on the click button above or in the description section below, also helps us stay safe. Make sure to check it out. Also, before that, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe by clicking here and also press the bell icon to get timely dosage of useful life essentials at AKBHD, Art Karma Body, coming up for you regularly. Let's proceed with this one. Arogya Setu app. What is this app and how to install it? This is an app, an initiative launched by Government of India to track the COVID-19 spread. It helps us to stay alert about the surroundings, keep a track on the number of COVID-19 positive cases nearby us, and also to know the latest updated count of the coronavirus cases in India, even state-wise. It also helps you to intimate if your sample has been collected for testing or if somebody has tested positive for COVID. This app by far is the best tracking tool available with you to check and stay alert about the number of COVID-19 cases you have nearby. So how to install it? It's simple. Grab your phone, search the app on the Play Store or the App Store, click install. Once installed, now open up the app and do some basic filling for setting up your Arogya Setu profile. You know, one thing good about this app is it supports both Android and Apple. So let's try it on the other one as well. Now, post setting up your basic profile, it also asks you for a self-help assessment online that you need to take mandatorily. Also, your correct information that you feed into this app is the primary way you help and contribute to the society by producing the right information to take necessary preventives to check the spread of this virus. Once you're in, on the top left, it shows an exclamation sign. Okay, so now let me take you through this app in a brief manner. If you click on the exclamation sign on the top, you'll get two options. One lets you report if your sample has been collected for testing, and the second one helps you report a COVID positive. Just below that, you can see your status. It talks about your status if you are safe or at low risk or at high risk. Here, if you see in the app, it shows as low risk of infection. If you check just below it, you will have things to do next. Click on that and you can see a lot of options which you can follow to be safe. It talks about take self-assessment test, maintain social distancing, check app regularly for updates. How to maintain social distancing is also given here. It talks about greeting with namaste, avoid social gatherings, maintain 6 feet distance, and so on. Yeah. Now, below that, it gives you an option to check in your area now within a radius of 500 meters, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer or 5 kilometer and so on. What are the updates about COVID positive? Now if you click on 500 meter, it talks about the people who are using this app. It talks about the people who have taken self-assessment in the last 24 hours, people who have declared as unwell, and the people who might have declared as COVID positive. It also gives you the number of users who are potentially at risk of infection. Same thing applies if you want to check for other radiuses. Say for example, if I click on 10 kilometer radius here, it gives me 2,14,000 so on people using this app. These many users took self-assessment. These many users declared themselves as unwell, and 99 Arogya Setu users have declared themselves as COVID positive. Just below that, the number of people who might be at a potential risk of contracting to the infection. Now, if you check just below that, it gives you ICMR approved labs. If you click on that, it gives you the directions to those labs. These are probably the labs where you can get your samples for testing. Let's go back and let's check below that. If you check below, there are some media content about trending videos or trending events about COVID-19 or Corona media content. On the top where you saw your status, it also has media. If you click on media, in the similar fashion, you will see media content out here. It says Breaking Stigma by Shri Amitabh Bachchan, and there are a couple of other videos which you can check out for yourselves. You also have COVID updates tab just beside it. Now the COVID updates tab, as you can see, gives you how many confirmed cases are there across India, how many people have recovered, how many people deceased. Cases over time. If you see there is a graph here, if you click on this drop down, you'll have the option to choose the state as well, so you can check the state wise figures here. So here if I want to check about, say, let's say Maharashtra. In Maharashtra currently I have 25,922 cases which is positive and confirmed. There are 5,547 people who have recovered. It shows 975 people who have deceased. Right, so this is the statistics for Maharashtra. In a similar fashion, if you scroll down, you can see the statistics for all the other states as well. So Maharashtra, as you can see, is leading on the top in terms of the infection spread. Then you have Gujarat and so on. So all the states, you can check it out over here. Well, on the right hand side, if you have issued an e-pass and if you have given this phone number of yours, whichever you have registered for Arogya Setu app, it would show up your e-pass over here. If you do not have a e-pass, it won't show up. Right, so this is a brief information about this app. Hope this information proved useful for you. Yeah, Delhi, you also have call helpline number tab over here. So just below here you have a call helpline number. If you click on that, it dials up directly to the Corona or the COVID helpline number. Self-assess is where you can get assessed again, and you can check if you are doing good. If you're not, you can report it here. Well friends, that's it for this video update. Do let us know in the comment section below if you found this video useful and if you are going to install the app right away, or if you think it's not very useful and you can wait to install it later. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful. Also please click on the subscribe button for all the useful and interesting video updates on this channel coming up exclusively for you. I will see you in the next one soon. Till then, take care, keep artifying your lives. Bye bye.